It's so easy to make your own butter, and you only need one ingredient.
Homemade butter only takes 10 minutes to make, and it's more fresh and creamy than store-bought butter. You can use any cream that's 35% or higher. For really high-quality butter, buy the best cream you can find. We're using a stand mixer, but you can also use a blender, food processor, or hand blender. Pour in all the cream and mix. After just a few minutes, you're at the whipped cream stage. Keep mixing for a few more minutes. The cream will start changing color and become more yellow, and the texture is a bit like wet sand. When you can see that there is liquid buttermilk, you're done mixing. Now it's time to strain out the buttermilk. Add ice cubes to a bowl with a lot of water. Take a handful of butter and squeeze out the excess buttermilk by hand. Squeeze as hard as you can. Getting all the buttermilk out will help make your butter last longer. After squeezing, place in the ice water. Keep going until you've done it all. The ice bath helps you get out the remaining buttermilk. Squeeze it out a couple more times. Your butter is ready. You can wrap it in parchment paper and twist the ends to make a cylinder. You could also use wet wooden spatulas to flatten the butter into a brick. Shape it as you like and wrap it up. If you find our video helpful, please like it and share it. Store your butter in the fridge. Keep the buttermilk. You can use it in pancakes, waffles or muffins, or to marinate chicken. You could even use it to make ricotta cheese.
You can make salted butter if you want.
You'll need to weigh the butter to figure out how much salt to add. The amount of salt you add should be 1 to 2% of the weight of the butter, depending on how salty you want it. Mix with your hand to incorporate the salt. This delicious butter will be so worth the small effort it takes. It's so fresh and creamy, and it's even better on homemade bread. We have some delicious bread recipes to go with your butter. Just click on this playlist.